Hello, families. Let's continue writing our sight words. At this point, you may be running out of lined paper, so I wanted to be sure to show you where to find some additional lined writing paper if you need it. You will open up your handwriting subject in your OLS under Language Arts, and as you can see, once you click into a lesson, on the right-hand side in that blue box, you will see a spot where you can find additional lined writing paper. You will click that, and it will pull up that writing paper, and you can then print some more. I also wanted to show you another great activity that you can do with your student, and this is called Sight Word Bingo. I will be sure to include this website within our recording so that you can go back to this site and print up some of these bingo cards. And Sight Word Bingo is a wonderful game to play with your student to help reinforce all of the different sight words. We can start with our most basic words, and then we can move into some harder words if your student is ready. And what I love to do with Sight Word Bingo is when I play this game with students, we use food to eat. So you could get some candy, maybe some jelly beans, maybe some Cheerios, just something fun, goldfish. Your student will find the word when you call it out and place that food item over the word. When I play bingo, I not only require that students go, a whole row across or a whole row diagonal, but I actually have them fill up the whole board. You're welcome to do it that way, or you can do the more traditional way of playing bingo. But I like to call out every single word so that they can practice every single word. Once they've found all of those words, they clear their board by eating that snack. You know kids love to eat, so this would be a fun way to play Sight Word Bingo. We're going to focus on some more words today. And those words I will write at the top of the page so you know what we are working with. Of course, when you have your paper, always encourage your student to start out by writing that name. We always write our name because it's just great practice for your student. Of course, remind them to begin with that uppercase or capital letter in their name and follow that with all lowercase letters. So have them write their name, and then here are the words that we will be writing today. We will write the words we, and, if, and in. All right, so this is our list of words. As you know, have them start with our first line right here. Remember, all of our lowercase letters will go within that line. So we'll start with the word we. Leave that finger space. Write it again. Finger space. Write it again. All right, then you will go down to your next word, which is and. Finger space. Remind your students to write neatly, to take their time, to form our letters from top to bottom. And remember that you can always look back in your Handwriting Without Tears book as a reminder of the way that our letters should all be formed. If you remember, our workbook contains all of those letters and the direction that they should go in. That can be found in your teacher's guide. It is in the last page. And this is always a great reminder to look back so that your student knows the correct way to form all of these letters. They will then write the word if all the way across, and then come to the bottom, and our last word is in, and they will write that all the way across as well. Happy writing!